Let's go!
Bye, baby bus.
Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Lulu is on the bus. Move the red switch to raise the cutout. We have arrived at the supermarket. Teacher asked us to buy some things and bring them to class.
Let's go buy some stationery. Pick your cart. I want to bring them to class. Let's go get them. Yes, pillow. Hand sanitizer. Notebook. Water bottle. School bag. Pencil case. Put money in the drawer. Everything has been locked. Thanks. We finished shopping. Let's get on the bus.
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Oh, next up is the photo studio. We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class.
Let's go take some photos.
So many pretty clothes. What should I wear? Turn on the light, please. Click the camera and take a photo. It's such a beautiful photo. Thank you.
I like these clothes. Let me try them on.
on the light, please. What a great photo!
Thank you. We finished our photo shoot. Let's go.
Bye, baby bus.
Hi, Mew Mew. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
Mew Mew is on the bus. There's not enough gas. Fill it up for me, please.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car.
Let's go, baby bus.
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Kiki. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
All our friends are on the bus. We have arrived at the hospital. Let's get a regular checkup.
Let's go get a room. ECG measurement. Sort them by color. Yes, this is the right place. Click the switch, which is the same color as the body. Yes, you're right. Wrong. Look at... The checkup is finished. Your heartbeat is normal. Thank you. Measuring weight and height. Lulu's weight, 21 kilograms. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Eyesight test. Move the magnifying glass to look for patterns. Correct. We found the pattern. Correct. We found the pattern. We found them all. You have good eyesight.
Thank you.
Hearing test. Listen, what's that sound? We are done with our health checkup. Let's go to kindergarten.
We have arrived at
Hi, friends. The new semester has started. Welcome to kindergarten. Please queue up. Let Hank queue up. Let Mew Mew queue up. Let Mew Mew queue up. Let Lulu queue up.
Okay. Bye, baby bus.
Goodbye, friends. Have fun in kindergarten. I'll pick you up after class.
This is our classroom. It's where we will study. Can you introduce yourself? I'm Miss Maymay. I'm Mew Mew. I like reading. I'm Kiki. I like playing with you the most.
I'm Hank. I like soccer.
I'm Lulu. I like dancing. Kiki, Mew Mew, Hank, Lulu, remember your friends' names. You will be good friends with each other. Let's decorate our classroom. Hang the photos you like on the wall. Wow, I like your photos. The classroom is beautiful now. It's toy time. Pick your favorite toys. Wow, it's fun! Wait! I will catch you. Stop there.
I'll show you how good I am. Oh, my ball!
Wow, it is so fun! Amazing! Do you like the toys in class? It's so fun!
I want to play some more.
Please sort out the toys after playing with them. It's snack time. Let's have something to eat. You did a good job of eating everything. Awesome! You all did well today. I want to give each of you a red flower. Thank you! smooth. Give flowers to your friends.
Thank you.
Give flowers to your... Thank you. Thanks. It's time to go back home. Baby Bus is waiting for you at the entrance. See you, friends. Careful when you go back home. See you.
Miss Amy, goodbye.
Bye.
Baby Bus, let's go. We're taking all our friends back home safe and sound. Lulu has arrived.
Bye, Baby Bus.
Lulu, see you tomorrow. Baby Bus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home. Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light. Hank has arrived.
Bye, Baby Bus.
Hank, see you tomorrow. Baby Bus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home. Mew Mew has arrived.
Bye, Baby Bus.
Mew Mew, see you tomorrow. Baby Bus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home. There's not enough gas. Fill it up for me, please.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Let's go, Baby Bus. Lucy has arrived.
Bye, Baby Bus.
Kiki, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, friends. I'll come pick you up tomorrow.